Good morning children, Sairam. Last class we saw the place value and face value of a number, isn't it? Today we are going to see short form and expanded form. I think you all know this, right? We saw in chapter number 1, right? So no need for much explanation. We'll directly go with the sums now. What do you mean by expanded form now? It is the sum. It is the sum of the place value of the numbers, right? And short form, we are going to write the value of the face value. We are going to write the face value of each digit. Shall we start? Now the first example is, now 498, it is in short form. 498, it is in short form. Now we are going to write that in expanded form. Shall we write this? Yes. Now 4, it is in which place? 4, 9, 8. 4, it is in hundreds place, right? So write 4 hundreds plus how many? Then 9, it is in which place? Tens place, right? So write 9. So 9, it is in tens place. So 9 tens plus 8, it is in ones place. So 4 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 8 ones. So the value is 4 hundreds means 4 into 100. 4 into 100. 4 into 100 is 400. 400 plus 9 tens. 9 into 10. 9 into 10. That means the value is 90 plus 8 ones. 8 into 1. 8. 8 ones means 8 into 1. 8. So the answer is 400 plus 90 plus 8. Clear children? Shall we move on the next one? So first one I am explaining one more time. 498. 4 it is in the hundreds place and 9 in the tens place and 8 in the ones place, right? So now we are going to write that in expanded form. So 4 it is in hundreds place. So 4 into 100. 400 plus 9 tens. That means 9 into 10. 90 plus 8 ones. 8 into 1. 8. Second one, 607. This we are going to write in expanded form. Now 6 it is in hundreds place, right? So 6 hundreds. 6 it is in hundreds place and 0 it is in tens place, right? So 0 tens. How many tens? 0 tens plus how many ones? 7 ones. 6 hundreds, 0 tens and 7 ones. So the answer is, so 600, 6 into 100. What is the answer? 600. Very good. 600 plus 0 into 10. If you multiply, any number by 0, the answer will be, the product will be 0, right? So 0, 10, 0 plus 0 into 10. 0 plus 7 ones. 7 into 1. 7. Very good. So the answer is 600 plus 0 plus 7. So you all know the expanded form, right? It is the sum. It is the sum of the, see, addition. It is the sum of the place value. 6 it is in which place, or 0 it is in which place. So it is the sum of the place value of the numbers. Now write the numbers in expanded form. We are going to write the numbers in expanded form. Shall we write this now? Yes. First one, 7, 9, 2. We are going to write this number in expanded form. Now tell me, what do you mean by expanded form? It is the sum of the place value of the number of each digit, right? So 7. Now takes number 7. It is in which place? Hundreds place. So 2 in the ones place and 9 in the tens place and 7 in the hundreds place, right? So now what we are going to do now? We are going to write in expanded form. So 7 it is in hundreds place. So 7 into 100, 700. 7 into 100, 700. Don't forget to put this plus sign. Plus, because it is a sum of the place value of each digit, right? So plus, and 9. It is in which place? 9 it is in tens place. 9 it is in tens place. So 9 into 10. 90. Very good. 9 into 10. 90 plus 2. It is in which place? Ones place. So 2 into 1. 2. So the answer is 700 plus 90 plus 2. I'll repeat it one more time. 792. 7 in the hundreds place, 9 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. So how to write the expanded form? So 7 it is in hundreds place. So 700 plus 9 in the tens place. 9 into 10, 90 plus 2 in the ones place. So 2 into 1, 2. So answer is 700 plus 90 plus 2. We'll move on to the next sum. 395. Now you are going to tell me the answer for this, children. 395. 395. Now 3 it is in which place? 3 it is in hundreds place. So write 3 into 100. 300. Write the answer directly. 300. As 3 it is in the hundreds place. 3 into 100. 300 plus 9. It is in which place? It is in tens place, right? So 9 into 10. 90. So 300 plus 90 plus 5. It is in which place? Tens place. Ones place. Sorry, ones place. 5 into 1. 5. So write 300 plus 90 plus 5. So 395. How to write in expanded form? 395. 3 in the hundreds place. So write 3 into 100. 300 plus 9 in the tens place. 9 into 10. 90. Plus 5 in the ones place, 5 into 1, 5. So 300 plus 90 plus 5. Third one, 618. 618. This we are going to write in the expanded form. Now tell me 6 it is in which place? 8 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, and 6 it is in hundreds place, right? So 6 it is in hundreds place. So 6 into 100. 600. Very good. Then 1 it is in which place? It is in tens place, right? So 1 into 10, 10. 600 plus 10 plus 8 in the ones place. 8 into 1, 8. So the answer is 600 plus 10 plus 8. When you write 608 in expanded form, the answer is 600 plus 10 plus 8. Last one, 503. This we are going to write in the expanded form. Now tell me 3 it is in ones place, 0 in the tens place, and 5 in the hundreds place. While writing you have to start from the leftmost part, right? So 5 it is in which place? It is in hundreds place. So write 500. 5 it is in hundreds place. So 5 into 100. 500 plus and 0 it is in tens place. So if you multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0. So 0 into 10, 0 plus 3. It is in which place? It is in ones place. Very good. 3 into 1, 3. So the answer is 500 plus 0 plus 3. Next, write the short form. It has been given in the expanded form. We are going to write that in the short form. See, if you take this number, you are going to write the face value of the digit. What is the face value? 404, and for 10, 1, and for 9, it is 9. Shall we write? So the first one, 400 plus 10 plus 9. 400 plus 10 plus 9. Shall we write this in the short form? Yes. 4. It is in which place? Hundreds place, right? So write 4 in the hundreds place. We are going to write only the face value. And 1 it is in which place? Tens place. And 9 it is in the ones place. So the answer is 4, 1, 9. Short form of this number is 4, 1, 9. Expanded form is 400 plus 10 plus 9. When you write in the short form, you are going to write only the face value of each digit. So face value is 4. So 400, it is in which place? 4, it is in the hundreds place. So write 4 in the hundreds place. And 10, it is in the ones place. That means 1, it is in the tens place. And 9, it is in the ones place. So 4, 1, 9. Shall we move on to the next one? 900 plus 80 plus 9. 900 plus 80 plus 9. Shall we write now? 900. So 9 face value is 9, or else 9 it is in. So 900 it is in hundreds place, right? So 9 it is in hundreds place, and 8 it is in tens place, and 9 it is in the ones place. So the answer is 9, 8, 9. You write only the face value of each face values 9, 8. For this face value is 8 and 9. So the answer is 989. Third one, 500 plus 90 plus 0. We are going to write that in short form. So 5 face value is 5, and for 90, 9, and for 0 it is 0. So the answer is 590. Answer is 590. You are going to write only the face value of each digit. So face value is 5, and for this face value is 9, and for this 0, 590. Last one, 800 plus 70 plus 3. 800 plus 70 plus 3. We are going to write this in the short form. Now 800, what is the face value? 8. And for 70, 7, and for 3. So the answer is 873. 873. Short form is 873. You're going to write only the face value of each digit. So face value is 8, and for this 7, and for this 3. So 873. 873. Now fill in the boxes. Now we are going to fill in the boxes. Now hundreds. How many hundreds we have? 300. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. How many tens? 4 tens. And how many 1? 1. 3 hundreds. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds and 4 tens and 1. Now this we are going to fill this now. And the second line, this we are going to fill now. Now, so how many hundreds are there? 300. How will you write 300? 3 into 100, 300, right? So write 300 here. 300. 3 it is in the hundreds place, right? So 300. 3 into 100, 300 plus. How many tens? 4 tens. 4 into 10, 40. So write 40 plus. How many 1 you have? Only 1. 1 into 1, 1. 300 plus 40 plus 1. The question is 3 hundreds. How many hundreds we have? We have 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 1 ones, right? Now this we are going to write in the expanded form now. How many hundreds we have? 300. So write 3 into 100, 300 plus 4 tens. 4 into 10, 40. So write 40 plus how many ones? Only 1. 1 into 1, 1. Now, shall we write this in the short form? Yes. 300 plus 40 plus 1. How will you write? Write only the face values. For 300, it is 3. And for 4, it is 40. It is 4. And 1, it is 1. So, the answer is 3, 4, 1. What is the answer in the short form? 3, 4, 1. 300, the face value is 3. And for 40, the face value is 4. And for 1, it is 1. So, the answer is 3, 4, 1. Just write all together. 3, 4, 1. 341. Now this blanks we are going to fill now. So they have given this 4, 3, 8 and we are going to find out how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones. We are going to write it in the blank now. Boxes. Blank boxes we are going to fill this now. Shall we fill it? Now 4, 3, 8. Now tell me how many hundreds are there in this? Yes, 400. So write 4 here. How many hundreds? 400s, right? 400. So 4 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place, 8 in the ones place. Now how many hundreds? 400s, right? So write 400. How many tens? In this number 4, 3, 8. How many tens are there? 3 tens, right? So 3 tens. So write 3 tens. And how many ones? Yes, 8 ones. 400, 4 hundreds plus 3 tens plus 8 ones. Now shall we write this in expanded form now? Very good. You are going to tell me the answer now, children. 400. How will you write in expanded form? 4 into 100, 400. So 4 followed by 0, 0. 400 plus, don't forget to put the plus. How many tens? 3 tens. That means 30. 3, 0. 30 plus, how many ones? 8 ones. So write 8 here. 400 plus 30. This is 3. 30. 30 plus 8. 400 plus 30 plus 8. So the short form is 438. So how many hundreds are here in this? 4 hundreds. So write 4 in the box and 3 tens. So write 3 in the box and how many ones? 8. So when you write in expanded form, 400 plus 30 plus 8. Next expanded form is given for you. Now you are going to write the how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones, and you are going to write that number in short form. Shall we write this? Yes. So expanded form 200 plus 90 plus 7. Now tell me 200. How many hundreds are there here? How many hundreds? 200s, right? So write 200. How many hundreds here? 200. So write 2 in the box now. 200. How many hundreds? 200. So write 2 in the box now. Now how many tens? 90. So 9 tens. 9 into 10, 90. How many tens then? 9 tens. 200. 9 tens. How many tens? 9 tens. And how many ones? 7 ones. So write 7 here. So 200s plus 9 tens plus 7 ones. So now shall we write this in the short form now? Yes, 2. So face value is 2 and for 90 it is 9 and for 7 it is 7. So 2, 9, 7. 297. So short form is 297. 200 the face value is 2 and for 90 it is 9 and for 7 it is 7. 297. So how many hundreds we have? 2 hundreds, 9 tens and 7 ones. I think you all know to compare numbers, right children? You all know to compare two numbers. How will you compare two numbers? First, we have to compare we have to start to compare from the leftmost part. That here we have hundreds place. So first start to compare from the hundreds place. First, where we have to compare? We have to compare the hundreds place. First, compare the digits in the hundreds place. Here is one example for you. 876, 765. Now see the digits at the hundreds place. Here we have 8 and here in this we have 7, right? So now tell me whether 8 is less than 7 or greater than 7. 8 is greater than 7. So since 8 is greater than 7, so this 8 is greater, right? So 876 is greater than 765. First what we have to do? We have to compare from the leftmost part, that is the hundreds place. Here we have 8, first number 876 and 765. 8 and 7 in the hundreds place. So 8 is greater than 7. Since 8 is greater than 7, 876 is greater than 765. Now, if the hundreds place is same, what will you do? If the digits in the hundreds place is same, then compare the digits in the tens place. Move on to the next place. That means from the leftmost you have to start. So first 100, then tens. If the digits in the hundreds place are same, then compare the digits in the tens place. I think you all know this, right? First we have to compare from the leftmost part, hundreds place. If the hundreds place is same, then compare the tens place. We'll see one example now. 876, 895. See here, in this both the numbers we have 8 in the hundreds place. So now what we have to do? Now compare the tens place now. Here we have 7, here we have 9. 7, 9. The first number we have 7 in the tens place. In second number we have 9 in the tens place. Now compare and tell me children whether 7 is greater than 9 or less than 9. 7 is lesser or greater? 7 is less than 9, right? So since 7 is less than 9, 876 is less than 895. 876 is less than 895. I think you all know this is less than, greater than, and equal to. Always the crocodile's mouth will point to the greater one, right? Where the crocodile mouth will point, it will always point to the greater one. So here 895 is greater, so it is pointed to this side. So while comparing the numbers, what you have to do? First you have to compare the hundreds place, then the tens place. Now if the digits in the hundreds and the tens place are same, what will you do? If the digits in the hundreds and the tens place are same, now the hundreds place also same, then tens place also same, what will you do at that time? Compare the digits and the ones place. If the digits in the hundreds and the tens place are same, compare the digits in the ones place. Now we are going to compare the, now example 876, 875. See the digits at the hundreds place 8. So same now compare the digits at the tens place 7. That is also same. Now what we have to do? Now compare the digits at the tens place. What digit we have in the tens place? 6 and 5. Now tell me whether 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5. 6 is greater than 5. Very good. So since 6 is greater than 5, 876 is greater than 875. 876 is greater than 875. Now write the smallest number. 4 numbers has been given for you. You are going to write which number is smaller. You are going to write the smaller number. Shall we see? Write the smallest number. Which one is the smallest? So 4 number. First one 242. Just see the numbers carefully. 242, 369, 179, 745. I'll repeat it one more time. 242, 369, 179, 745. Now we are going to write which is the smallest number. See the hundreds place now. First number we have 2. Second number we have 3 hundreds place, I'm saying. And third number we have 1. And last number 7. Now tell me which is the smallest here out of these 4 digits. Yes, 1 is the smallest digit, right? So this one. So 179 is the smallest number. 179 is the smallest number. So write 179 in the box. You're going to write the smallest number. First, you have to compare the hundreds place. So here 1 is very small. So 179 is the smallest number. Second one 902, 902, 920, 912, 921. I'll repeat it. 902, 920, 912, 921. Now tell me which is the smallest number. You have to compare the hundreds place now. See, in all these numbers we have 9 in the hundreds place, right? So what to do? Now compare the tens place now. So 0 in the first number, 2 in the second number, 1 in the third number, 2 in the last number. I'm taking the tens place now. I'm just comparing the tens place. Now tell me which is smaller in this. 0 to 1 2. Obviously 0 is smaller, right? So 902 is the smallest number. 902 is the smallest number out of these 4. Which is the smallest out of these 4? 902. 902 is the smallest number. Now circle the greatest number. You're going to circle the greatest number. Shall we circle the greatest number? Yes. So first 4 numbers has been given for you. You first see the number, and if shall we see the number first? 635 a sum. 635, 543, 298, 736. I'll repeat it one more time. 635, 543, 298, 736. Now tell me which is the greatest number that you're going to circle it. Now see the hundreds place now. In first number we have 6 in the hundreds place. Second number we have 5 in the hundreds place. Third number we have 2 in the hundreds place. And last number we have 7 in the hundreds place. Now tell me children, which is the biggest digit in this? Yes, 7, right? So 730. So 7 is bigger. So 736 is the biggest number. 736 is the biggest number. First you have to compare the hundreds place. 635, 543, 298, 736. So which is the greatest number? 736. That you are going to circle it. Second one, 206, 206, 234, 219, 201. We are going to circle the greatest number. Now compare the digits in the hundreds place. In all the numbers we have 2 in the hundreds place, right? Now compare the digits in the tens place. First number we have 0. Second number we have 3. Third number we have 1. And last number we have 0. Now tell me which is the smallest digit? 0, right? So now we are going to compare with these two numbers. We are going to compare with 206 and 201. So now compare 206 and 201. Now we are going to, in this we are going to circle the greatest number, right? So first see the hundreds place. In all the numbers we have 2. Now see the tens place. 0, 3, 1, 0. Now tell me which is the greatest number? 3. Sorry, I made a mistake. So this is the greatest number, right? So first what we have to do? Just see the hundreds place. In all the numbers we have 2. Now compare the tens place. 0, 3, 1, 0. Now tell me which is the greatest number? Obviously 3, right? So now 234 is the greatest number. 234. And third one, 456, 789, 901, 951. Now we are going to compare the, now we are going to circle the greatest number, right? First see the hundreds place now. Here we have 4, 7, 9, 9. So 9 is greater. Now compare between these two numbers, which is greater. Now see the tens place. Here we have 0 in the third number and 5 in the last number. Now tell me which is greater, 0 or 5? 5 is greater. So 951 is the greatest number. Next 998, 996, 990, 991. We are going to compare the, we are going to circle the greatest number, right? So first see the hundreds place. In all the numbers we have 9. So start to compare the tens place now. Compare the tens place. In this number we have 9 in the tens place. In this second number we have 9 in the tens place. And third number also 9. Fourth number also 9. So what you have to do? Compare the ones place. So first number we have 8 in the ones place. And second number we have 6. And third number we have 0 in the ones place. Last number 1. Now tell me which is greater in this? Yes, 8. So 998 is the greatest number in this. First we have to see the hundreds, then tens, then ones. So here we have 8, 6, 0, 1. 8 is greater. So 998 is the greatest number out of these 4. Last one, 305, 503, 619, 196. Now tell me which is the greatest number. You are going to tell me the answer for this. Yes, you have to compare the hundreds place. In first number we have 3, second number 5, Third number 6, 1. Now tell me which is the greatest one? 6. So 619 is the greatest number. 619 is the greatest number. Practice well, children. Whatever sums I've given, practice well. Next class, see you in the next class. Thank you.